This is Andre Banks coming today for Banks Credit Chat, discussing fake gurus. And I'm kind of going to do a quick series of videos just highlighting some of the tools that they're still utilizing, especially online. And I painstakingly watched a couple of these guys, and then I heard some family members talk to me about it. So I thought I'd just start doing a couple of videos just talking about the scams that's still going on today, especially as we go on into 2024. And fake guru number one is you should pay for trade lines and authorized users. In itself, it's not a bad thing for using a trade line or an authorized user. It is a bad thing if you're paying from it online and you're having these ridiculous, because you really don't know those individuals itself that you're going to be an authorized user for. Many times people pay to become an authorized user using these particular sites. I think one is, I forgot the name of it. It just escapes me. Credit, what is it? I think I wrote it down. usemycredit.com. I should just do a whole review on that. You're paying these exorbitant fees to become a trade line or authorized user, not realizing that the dangers that go on with that. Even if it does work for a couple of months, and you pay that exorbitant amount, and usually it's $3,000 to $5,000 to $6,000 sometimes. The negative impacts come later because you're not really sure about the individuals that they actually allow you to put on for to be an authorized user. When you're using an authorized user or trade lines and are being put on in those aspects, you should always be really, careful about that and make sure you have a person that you're really trustworthy, has really good payment history, has built and established himself, preferably a family member or a very close friend, especially if you're going to be an authorized user, because at least with them, you know those individuals directly and you might know how their patterns are. When you're paying for stuff online, especially from, these websites and stuff like that, you have a high probability of it backfiring on you. And I'm seeing that come up a lot of different times. I was trying to tell a family member, listen, you really need to be careful about that because you really don't know them in that case. Knowing someone payment history and having a good relationship with them and knowing how they operate over years is the best way to go back from that. And especially if you have issues with your credit and you're looking to improve your credit score. So be careful for that. For the fake guru, number one is just stay away from online trade lines and purchasing credit as an authorized user from these websites. Usemycredit.com is one that it's just very sketchy to begin with, and there's others that's out there, but watching a fake guru talk about this, that it's still really possible to function like that. So just be mindful of it. I didn't mean to jumble up my words, but it's just, I can't say it enough, and I just talked to the family member and really want people to stay away from those in general. If this video has been any value, please subscribe, leave some comments. And to my next video for Banks Credit Chat, I'm out.